What's going on, people? Just wanted to show you guys a little experiment that I'm working on. This right here is a little raised bed, 50-gallon fabric pot, just like that one over there. But what I got going on here is black cherry tomato. It's my first time growing this variety of tomatoes, and I'm trying something a little different this year. I got like a 1-gallon bucket, and it's also a composting bin. As you can see, let's see if I can get an angle. See those little holes? I got holes drilled all the way around, all the way to the bottom, and even at the bottom of the bucket. And this is where I put all my scrap kitchen waste. You know, vegetables, got leaves in there, shredded paper, eggshells, this right here, some cabbage, banana peels, apples, and let me dig down in here so you guys can see. Down in there, hold on, I added some composting worms. I got red wigglers. There we go, there's one right there. And I also have European night crawlers in there. So as they eat, they're gonna produce worm castings, which is a good fertilizer. And when I water through this screen here, and that's gonna flush out a lot of the nutrients into my soil. And this bed is filled with compost. It's a compost with a manure mix, and I got it mulched down to keep the moisture in there. And the worms migrate through this whole entire bed, which helps aerate the soil to keep it good and loose. And also, as they travel through the bed, they drop castings. Sometimes you can dig through here and you can see the worms throughout this bed. Let's see if we can find one migrating somewhere. But they travel through this bed. Let's see. Okay, I don't see any in here. In that spot. But anyways, that's something I saw, and I just wanted to try this year. And it's the same thing over here. Yeah. Let's dig down here and see if we can see some worms. Y'all see those holes through the bucket? Let's dig down into the bottom. Yeah. They all out through here. I guess they probably tired of me disturbing them. And also, they're gonna reproduce. You know, they lay eggs. So look at that. I'm hoping that I can double or triple my worm supply. Good worms to go fishing with also. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Until the next time, peace.